Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the cleaning and the maintenance of your food processor. This video is suitable for R752, R752VV. Cleaning. Dismantle all parts. Remove the lid seal. Remove the blade. Remove the bowl. Clean the motor base and the control panel. Dry with a clean cloth. Dishwasher safe. Dry all parts before reassembling. Cleaning requirements may vary from country and region. Please be sure to follow your local guidelines. Using the wrong chemicals can damage your machine. Please consult your chemical supplier for best practice. Place the locking bracket on motor shaft. Place the blade on top. Use the tool to loosen the bolt. Unscrew the bolt. Remove each part. Clean and dry each part. Reverse actions to build back up. Maintenance. Sharpening the blades. Place the blade on a flat surface. Using a sharpening stone, brush along the blade. Follow the correct angle of the blade. Clean blades before use. Attach safety and operating instructions chart to the wall near the machine. For more information, refer to your instruction manual.